Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to open the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to start by holding the power key and the volume up together. So let me hold down power key and volume up simultaneously. Choose here power off. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, now you need to use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Hold down together those two keys for a few seconds. Keep holding both keys, and as you can see the Fastboot mode pops up. So now you can use your Fastboot, you can connect your device with the USB cable to your PC or to a laptop, and you can try to flash your device. You can install some update or do whatever you want with your Fastboot connection. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use this combination power key, but you need to keep holding power key for a long time, so let me show you. Alright, the phone is restarting. So basically you just need to keep holding power key until the Fastboot logo disappears, and now the phone is booting into a normal mode. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.